Okay, then all of you, can you view any slide here?
Yes, sir.
Ah, what is it? Can you read it?
Introduction to phonetics.
Introduction to phonetics. Introduction to phonetics. See the most important contribution made by the science of linguists that explains the speech sounds and their origin, characteristics, pronunciation, modulation, intonation, and stress, accent, and pitch. Pronunciation is definitely the first problem to faced by the student in his efforts to acquire a speaking knowledge of English. One does not need to learn phonetics in his mother tongue. But when it comes to learning a foreign language, it is very essential. One has to learn how one has to pronounce the words correctly and properly. Some difficult and also unique aspects of English language, especially in speech, like stress, intonation, rhythm, etc., can be of phonetics that will be helpful in mastering speech sounds. Speech depends on hearing. Through we get opportunities of listening to English language spoken on the radio, in the movies, television programs, news broadcasts, etc. We should listen all of them unless we cannot catch the pronunciation of the some of the difficult words. The aims of teaching pronunciation are we have some aims to teach pronunciation. Those are to enable the learners to know the importance and beauty of the English language. First point, first aim is that First aim is that to enable the learners to know the importance and beauty of the English language. To enable them cultivate intelligible, audible, and clear pronunciation. Some of uh, some more aims and aims are there, and what are the some other aims to develop an interest in them to learn the language correctly. To develop an interest in them to learn the language correctly. Next, to enable them speak with the required stress, intonation, rhythm, pause, and articulation. See, intonation means the rise and fall in the pitch of the voice. That's what intonation. Stress means the degree of force with which we uh, emphasize on particular word or a letter in the word or a letter. That is stress. And rhythm, we know that rhythm. We sing many rhyming songs, rhyming uh, rhythms, children rhymes, and etc. You can find their rhythm. Pause and articulation. Articulation means we have to speak all of the words, all of the parts of the word we have to speak. That is articulation. To develop good speech manners with impressive postures and gestures. Impressive postures. We must stand in impressive posture. We must stand in a impressive posture and use impressive gestures. Use impressive gestures. See, to enable them speak confidently, sensibly, interestingly, and clearly. Those are the aims of pronunciation. Aims of pronunciation. Speech sounds and symbols. Now, let you know speech sounds and symbols. How many speech sounds are there? In English, we have how many speech sounds are there? How many speech sounds are there? There are 44 speech sounds are there. There we have 44 speech sounds are there. These 44 sounds are further divided into two types. One is consonants, other one is vowels. Consonants are 24 sounds are there. Vowels are 20. Vowels further divided into pure vowels and diphthongs. Vowels further divided into pure vowels and diphthongs. Pure vowels are 12. Diphthongs are 8. Diphthongs are also called woven glides. Vowel glides. Okay. Wait a few minutes, all of you. Can see anyone here? All of you? Can you look here? Anything? Can you look anything here? Hello? Can you look here anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Vowels
sir.
and diacritics.
Vowel.
Vowels and diphthongs. Diphthongs. Okay. Ah. See, there are vowels are monophthongs. Vowels also called monophthongs. Vowels also called monophthongs. See, these phonetic sounds are 44. We have phonetic sounds 44. Among them, vowels are the 20 and consonants are the 24 sounds are there. Just this, observe this graph, all of you. Phonetic sounds. All of you, can you look? Phonetic sounds divided into consonants and vowels. All of you, can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Phonetic sounds. Phonetic sounds are 44. Consonants are 24. Vowel sounds are 20. Further, vowel sounds divided into 12 pure vowels. Diphthongs are 8. Diphthongs means double sounds and vowel glides also called as vowel glides. Okay, see, vowels are monophthongs. Let you know about that. Vowels are monophthongs. There are 20 distinctive vowels in the English language. 12 of them are the pure vowels are monophthongs and the rest of vowel glides are diphthongs. See, remaining are the vowel glides are diphthongs are 8. In the production of pure vowels, the tongue remains stationary from the beginning to the end. There is no mixture of any other sound and the vowel remains pure. Vowels remains pure, not mixing anything. See, pure vowels are not mixing with other sound. See here, observe here, I and two dots. This is pronunciation as in C, as in C. Symbol is S I two dots. This is the symbol. Can you follow all of you? E. This sound is E. See, this symbol is I as in the sit. Sound is as in the sit. See, some pronunciation key is sit. E. Sit. E. Next, this is the symbol as in 10. As in 10. A. This is the symbol as in hat. A. As in hat. A. This is the symbol as in arm. As in arm. Long A. This is the symbol as in goat. As in goat. Got. Got. O. This is the symbol as in sa. O. This is the symbol as in put. Who. This is the symbol as in to. As in to. Who. This is the symbol as in put. Who. This is the symbol as in cup. C-U-B, cup. Half a. Quarter a. Cup. Quarter a. This is the symbol as in fur. See, 3 by 4th fur. As in the egger. Half a. As in egger. As in echo. These are the 12 sounds. These are the 12 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sounds. Then next, now let you know about the diphthongs. Let you know about the diphthongs. Diphthongs means double sound. Vowel glades, double sound. Diphthongs means double sound. Pure vowels means single sound. See diphthongs. How many diphthongs are there? 8 are there. 8 diphthongs are vowel glides. These are vowels with a double sound. That is, it begins as one vowel and ends as another. The first part of a diphthong is pronounced clearly and the last part is pronounced very lightly. See, below are the given diphthongs with examples. This is the symbol as in the page, as in the page, 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 page. This is a page. As in the home, as in the home, as in the five, I, five, ow, now, as in the now, ow, now, as in the I, join, join, as in the near, near, ear, near, as in the here, here, here. First sound is pronouncing, second sound is not clear and not clearly and lightly pronouncing. Page, 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 home, fire, now, join, near, here. See here, pure, pure, pure. These are the eight diphthongs. Now consonants. Consonants are sounds which are produced with a partial or complete stoppage of air passage. Obstruction is caused by one or more of the speech organs and a consonant sound is formed. See, consonants are sounds which are produced with a partial or complete stoppage of air passage. Partial or complete stoppage of air passage. Obstruction is caused by one or more speech organs and a consonant sound is formed. Consonants are 24 in number and below are given consonants with examples. See here, okay. Wait. Consonants. Look here, all of you. 24 consonant sounds are there. 24. There are 24 consonant sounds are there. P as in pen. P as in pen. This is the phonetic key. This is the phonetic key. And B as in bad, as in bad. See, as in T as in T, D as in did, as in did, K as in cat, as in cat, G as in got, as in got. This is CH, cha as in chain, cha as in chin, as in chin. This is the symbol as in June, as in June, as in June. Z. There is a vibration. June, as in June. Za, za sound. And F, as in fall. V, V, B, V, F, F, V, F, and B. These must with pronunciation F, lower teeth and upper lip. We should we should combine the upper lip and lower teeth. F, V, F fall, B voice, voice. See, this is a ta, as in thin, as in thin. This is a da, as in then, as in then. See, this is a S, as in so. This is zoo, as in zoo. Vibration is there. Zoo. This is see, as in she, sha. This sound is sha, as in she. This sound is z, vision, as in vision. Z sound, as in vision. H, as in how. M, as in man, as in man, as in man. N, as in no. This is the symbol. This is a symbol. This is a phonetic key. Ing, as in sing, as in sing. C, I, L, L as in leg, L as in leg. And C, R, R as in red, as in red. This is a symbol. This symbol for ya, as in S, as in yes. W as in wet, as in wet. Represents primary stress as in about, represents secondary stress in academic, academic, academic. The primary stress and secondary stress. Only primary stress about in this way. The next, these are the pronunciation keys we have. These are the pronunciation sounds, pronunciation keys we have. All of you, wait a minute, all of you.